Hey guys, let's try to understand how to use the Zerodha Coin app and create an SIP. So once you launch the app, this is the typical look and feel of the home page. We have certain options here which you can browse and have a look. So let's get started with creating an SIP. I go to Discover and I get different options: equity, debt, hybrid, index fund, fund of funds, etc. So for example, now if I select equity, I get different options over here: large cap, mid cap, large and mid cap. These are the filters I can apply. Similarly, you get these options for the other options as well. So let's go back to equity and let me select large cap. I get about 73 results here, and each of them you can explore. You can get your desired information on what these funds demand and what the information is. So let me apply some more filters to make my life easier. And these are the different options that you get, the filters that you can apply. So let me apply the filter of the minimum purchase amount and let me make it 100 rupees. So now I have 9 results from ICICI, Aditya Birla, Nippon, UTI, Sundaram. You can open each and get the information as you desire. You can have a look, you can check the sectors in which the investment has been done, and you can take your decision. So let's try to see the UTI Master Share Fund. You can select the year and get the information about that as well. The minimum investment mentioned is 100 rupees as we had applied the filter for. The expense ratio is at 1.01% and the exit load is 1%. Do keep in mind all of these factors whenever you make an investment. In the long run, these make a big impact. You get to see the trend, the chart, and the sectors in which the investment has been done. Now on the bottom you see there is buy and there is SIP. Buy is for the lump sum amount that you would do, and let's select SIP to understand. Initially you can see the account balance which is present in your account, the initial investment and the installment amount. The initial investment is what you will be starting from. You can select how much ever you want: 200, 300, 3000, etc. So let's keep it at 100 rupees. The installment amount is what you will be paying whenever you start pitching in for your SIP for the term or the period that you define. So for example, monthly I would want to pitch in 100 rupees, so I would select 100 rupees as mentioned here. Again, this can be at your will and you can select how much ever you want. So let's keep it at 100 bucks. Frequency: weekly, 15 days, monthly, quarterly. So let me select monthly and I can then select the date on which I would want to put or pitch in the money that I want for the SIP. The next thing that you see is unit cancelled, until cancelled, I'm sorry. Now, if you would like to pitch in money as long as you like and stop it at your will, then you would select until cancelled. But let's suppose if I want to put in money for 10 months or 12 months, I would disable the options and I would put the number of months I want: 10, 12, 5, whatever it may be. So let me select until cancelled. Automatic step up is if I would want to increase the percentage that I would be putting in every month, I can add that over here. For example, 10% would be 10 rupees I would want to put in extra every month, then I would select this option. I'll disable this for now, and all you have to do is select create SIP after you have gone through all your information. Once you do that, you will get the confirmation message which you can select. After having created, I've created one before. You can go to investments, you can select SIPs, and you can see your SIP overview over here. It gives you the list of information about your SIP that you have created. So it's as simple as this. After you've done some research on about your funds that you would want to invest in, do start using the app.